One of these two SCADA architectures costs roughly half as much over 5 years, and most operators are still buying the expensive one. Let us run the real numbers. On-premise, SCADA is the classic build. Servers in your office, licenses per tag or per client, an integrator to assemble it, and your own team to keep it alive. The quote looks manageable until you add it all up. Server hardware, Windows licenses, SCADA licenses, development hours, plus an annual support contract that quietly costs 20% of the license price forever. And the hidden line items are worse. The version upgrade every few years that becomes a mini project, the weekend patching, the day the server room air conditioner fails. Cloud SCADA flips the model. There is no server to buy. Field devices stream data over cellular or internet to a secured cloud platform, and the dashboards live in your browser. Licensing becomes a subscription, typically per site. So, adding your 11th well site is a config change, not a licensing negotiation. Maintenance disappears from your side of the fence. The platform is patched continuously. There is no version to migrate, ever. What about security? This is the surprise. A professionally run cloud platform, encrypted transport, audited access, standards like IEC 62443, is usually harder to breach than a forgotten Windows server under a desk in the field office. The honest exceptions, sub-second control loops stay in the PLC either way, and a fully air-gapped plant with no connectivity still needs iron on site. Over 5 years, for a typical multi-site operator, cloud comes out 50 to 70% cheaper. And the remote access that costs extra with on-premise is simply how the cloud version works. Merobix was built cloud-native for oil and gas exactly because of this math. Per-site pricing, live in days, and the full breakdown is on the Merobix blog. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week, no fluff.